How to log in Smule account. So let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Smule application on your mobile device. Soon after opening, you need to select your preferred language over here. After selecting the language, simply go for OK and you'll be able to see this interface. So you can log into your Smule account either with Facebook, Google, or you can also log in with your email. Further, you can also log in with your phone number. Here I am going for sign in with Google. If you are going for Google, then you need to choose your Gmail account with which you want to log into your Smule account. After a few seconds, you will be able to log into your Smule account. So this is how you log into your Smule account. So I hope this video was helpful. If you need any videos on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.